Dear students, yesterday we discussed uh, about question number 1 and question number 2 का आई एंड डबल आई, ये दोनों क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस किया था, कल का क्लास में डिस्कस किया था. बट इन टुडेज क्लास we will solve question number 2 का थर्ड आई, ट्रिपल आई, आई भी एंड भी. ये 3 क्वेश्चन को हम आज का क्लास में सॉल्व करेंगे. इसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इसको भी हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो आज का क्लास में हम नंबर 2 का थर्ड आई भी ये तीनों क्वेश्चन एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आई एंड डबल आई, दिस 2 क्वेश्चंस we will discuss on today's class. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आई, नंबर 2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आई, और ट्रिपल आई. Represent, the question is that represent -23/6, represent -23/6 on the number line, students, I had already told you how to represent a positive rational number on the number line. Suppose yesterday I discussed how to represent 8/3 on the number line, Yesterday I discussed about it, how to represent 8/3 on the number line. It is already a positive rational number. Yes, I forget to tell you yesterday that rational numbers are of 2 types. Rational number are of 2 types. Positive rational, one is positive rational and the other is negative rational. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, that 0 is only a rational number. If you consider the case of 0, then it is only a rational number. It is neither positive nor negative. Only you can call it a rational number, 0. So rational number are of 2 types, positive rational and negative rational. So 8/3, which was already represented on the number line yesterday, it is a positive rational number. Already you have learnt it, how to represent it. But today we will learn how to represent a negative rational number on the number line. It is positive rational, it is negative rational. So today we will learn how to represent a negative rational number on the number line. So first check it First you see here that minus 23 by 6, although it is a negative rational number, but if you consider it as a fraction, then it is not a fraction but the negative of a fraction. Yes, minus 23 by 6 minus 23 by 6, it is a negative rational number. It is a negative rational number. But if you consider it as a fraction, then you can simply call it the negative of 23 by 6. The negative of 23 by 6, it means the negative of an improper fraction. 23 by 6 actually an improper fraction. If you consider it as a fraction, then it is an improper fraction. But here minus sign is there, so we consider it, we will take it as the negative of an improper fraction or simply the negative of a fraction, the negative of a fraction. Therefore minus sign will remain same and 23 by 6, which is an improper fraction, will be converted into mixed form, will be converted into mixed fraction, that will be 3 full 5 by 6, 3 full 5 by 6. So minus 23 by 6 means, minus 23 by 6 means the negative of 3 full 5 by 6, the negative of 3 full 5 by 6. Then what will you do next? First note it. So students, you see that minus 23 by 6, it is the negative of an improper fraction. It is the negative of an improper fraction. So negative sign will remain same, negative sign को हम रखेंगे. Then 23 by 6, as it is improper, so it will be converted into mixed form. Now the meaning of minus 3 full 5 by 6 is 3 units, 3 full units plus 5 by 6 of 1 full unit, इसका negative, it means as the minus sign is here, so minus sign, what it indicates to? Minus sign किसको indicate करता है? Minus sign indicate to the direction. Minus sign, as it is the minus sign, so it simply indicates to the direction. Direction means left direction, towards the left, So minus sign simply indicates to direction, that is the left direction, So minus, inside the bracket you give full 3 units plus 5 by 6 of 1 full unit. It means you have to go the distance. It means you have to go, you have to cover, it means you have to cover or you have to move the distance of 3 full units and 5/6 of 1 full unit. 1 full unit towards the left. So 1 has to cover the distance of 3 full unit and 5/6 of 1 full unit towards the left of 0 on the number line. Suppose it is the number line, suppose it is a line, its name is XY line. Now mark a point on this line, suppose this point, and it is named as O. Now this O point represents 0, the rational number 0 or the integer 0. Now from 0 you have to move towards the left. It means in this direction. You have to move from 0 in this direction, the distance of 3 full units and 5/6 of 1 full unit. इसका मतलब है 0 से निकल कर आपको 3 फुल यूनिट कवर करना है फर्स्ट. देन वहाँ से आपको कवर करना है 5/6 पार्ट, ओनली 5/6 पार्ट ऑफ 1 फुल यूनिट. It means from 0 you have to move towards the left 3 full unit and extra 5/6 of 1 full unit. Then the point at which you will reach at last will represent -3 full 5/6 or -23/6. It is the procedure to represent a negative rational number on the number line. So finally, first note it. So students, look at here. Finally I say that your given rational number is -23/6, which you need to represent on the number line. Therefore first you keep the minus sign same, then 23/6 minus sign will remain same, then 23/6 as it is an improper fraction, so it will be converted into mixed form, that will be 3 full 5/6. So finally we got -3 full 5/6. इसका मतलब है you have to move towards the left, as there is minus sign here, so minus sign only indicates to the direction, that is left direction. So you have to proceed towards the left from 0. So how much distance you have to cover, or you have to travel from 0 towards the left? This is the distance. The distance is 3 full unit and 5/6 of 1 full unit. So this distance you have to cover in the direction of left from 0. So in order to represent -23/6, first draw a straight line. It is the final. So first draw a straight line. Its name is suppose X and Y. Now put or mark a point on this line. Suppose this point is O and it represents the rational number 0. Now take a fixed length, that is 6 cm, as the denominator is 6 here. So take a fixed length, that is 6 cm, as your unit length. 6 cm is your unit length. Why I took 6 cm as the unit length? Because here the denominator is 6, it means you have to divide the unit length into 6 equal parts. Therefore 6 cm will be convenient because it is divisible by 6. 6 cm will be divisible by 6 and one part indicates to 1 cm. One part indicates to 1 cm. Therefore it will be convenient for you to take 6 cm to take 6 cm as your unit length, that is equal to 1 unit. That is equal to 1 unit. It is the unit length. Unit length means 1 unit. Therefore at 1 unit distance, it means at 6 cm distance, mark another point, that is A. It means from point O to point A, the distance is 6 cm and it is 1 unit. It is 1 unit. It means 1 unit is equal to 6 cm. Now this point will represent the rational number minus 1. The rational number minus 1. Similarly, from point A at 6 from point A, take the next point, that is B. From point A at 6 cm distance, from point A at 6 cm distance, take another point, that is B, and it will represent the rational number minus 2 or integer minus 2. Similarly, from point B to C, it is also 6 cm or 1 unit distance, and it will represent the rational number minus 3. Now extend it, because there is no space here, so extend it. Now from point C at 6 cm distance, take the next point, that is point D, and it will represent the rational number minus 4. माइनस 1 का मीनिंग है, और माइनस 1 मीन्स 1 unit distance towards the left of 0. It is 0. So from 0 or from point O, if you cover 1 unit distance, then that point represents minus 1. That point will represent minus 1. Similarly, from point O, if you cover 2 unit distance, yes, it is 1 unit, it is 1 unit. So if you cover from point O, if you cover 2 unit distance towards the left, then it is minus 2. हाँ, माइनस साइन इंडिकेट करता है, क्या इंडिकेट करता है? इट इज it indicates only direction, that is left direction. Here I have been mentioned here, towards the left. माइनस साइन means, माइनस साइन का मतलब है towards left, you have to move towards left. Similarly, minus 3 का मतलब है 3 unit distance from point O towards the left. Similarly, minus 4 का मतलब है 4 unit distance from point O, 4 unit distance towards the left. So minus 3 full 5 by 6 this rational number or minus 23 by 6, minus 3 full 5 by 6 or minus 23 by 6, it will lie between this part, that is between minus 4 and minus 3. In this part minus 3 full 5 by 6 will lie because minus 3 full 5 by 6 is greater than minus 4, and less than minus 3. So it means minus 3 full 5 by 6 will lie between minus 4 and minus 3 on the number line. Therefore, to represent minus 3 full 5 by 6 on the number line, first you have to cover from 0 to C, this distance, which is equal to 3 full units. And now you reach at point C. Now from point C you have to again cover only 5 by 6 parts of 1 full unit. Yes, from point C to point D, it means from minus 3, it means from minus 3 to minus 4, it is 1 full unit. Therefore, this full unit or this length will be divided into 6 equal parts as the denominator is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have to take only 5 parts as the numerator is 5. So you have to take only 5 parts. Therefore, from C you have to cover only 5 parts. It means this point, which is in blue color, represents minus 3 full 5 by 6. Suppose the name of this point is suppose E. There is no space here to write point E. Suppose I write here point E. So from point O to point E, the total length is 3 full units and 5 by 6 part of 1 full unit. They are and also towards the left of 0. Therefore, point E will represent the rational number, that is minus 3 full 5 by 6. So note it. Now question number IV. Represent 1.3 on the number line. Represent 1.3 on the number line. Students, you see here that 1.3, it is also a rational number. Actually, it is a decimal number. Actually, it is a decimal number, but we can call it as a rational number because it can be converted into p by q form, that will be 13 by 10. that will be 13 by 10. Yes, if you convert 1.3 into fractional form, then it will be 13 by 10. So as it is in p by q form, where p and q both are positive integers and q not equal to 0, it is q. As it is not equal to 0, therefore you can call it a rational number. So 13 by 10, 1.3 को हमको रिप्रेजेंट करना है नंबर लाइन के ऊपर. It means you have to represent 13 by 10. As it is an improper fraction, so you have already learned that improper fraction will be converted into mixed form, that will be 1 full 3 by 10. इसका मतलब क्या है? You have to move. इसका मीनिंग है 1 full 3 by 10 का मीनिंग है you have to cover 1 full unit and 3 by 10 parts of an extra unit. Yes, you have to cover 1 full unit and 3 by 10 of an extra unit towards the right. Why I mentioned towards the right? Because it is positive. If it is negative, then you have to cover the same distance. Towards the left. What I said? If it is in negative form, or if there is any minus sign before it, then you mean that you have to cover the same distance, that is 1 full unit and 3 by 10 of an extra unit, only in the left direction. But as it is not a negative rational number, it is a positive rational number, therefore you have to cover this distance towards the right, or in the direction of right, of 0 on the number line, towards the right of 0. Therefore, to represent 1.3 on the number line, first draw a line. Suppose its name is xy. Now mark any point on it. And suppose it is O, and it will represent the 0. Now, as the denominator here is 10, therefore you take 5 cm distance. Therefore you take you can take either 5 cm distance or 10 cm distance as the unit length. Why I take 5 cm or 10 cm? Because 5 cm is divisible by 10 and each part indicates to 0.5. Similarly, if you take 10 cm instead of 5 cm, then 10 cm can be divided into 10 equal part, and one part indicates to 1 cm. So any one you can take, either 5 cm or 10 cm, because both are divisible by 10. Therefore, from 0 at 5 cm distance, you mark another point, that is A, and it will represent 1. Now from A, this point at 5 cm distance, mark the next point, that is B, and it will represent 2. As 1 full 3 by 10 indicates to 1 full unit, and then 3/10 parts of an extra unit. Therefore you start from 0, you start traveling or moving from 0, first cover 1 unit, then you reach at point A. Now from point A you have to cover or you have to move only 3 parts of 10 equal part of this full unit. It means this unit it means this length from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, from A to B will be divided into 10 equal parts. Now from point A, as you had already reached at point A, as you have already reached at point A, so from point A you have to further cover 3/10. It means 3 parts, this part, this part, this part, out of these 10 equal part, and you reach finally in this point, on this point. Suppose this point is marked in red color, green color. If this point is named as E, if this point is named as E, then this point, this E point, this point E represents the given rational number, that is 1 full 3/10 or 13/10 or 1.3. If you have any doubt, then again check. From point O to point A it is 1 full unit, it means you covered 1 unit. Then from point A to point E it is 3/10 of a full unit, of a full unit. Yes, from A to B, from point A to B it is full 1 unit. So finally you reached at point E, which is 1 full 3/10 distance, which is of 1 full 3/10 distance from the initial point or starting point O. Therefore point E will represent 1 full 3/10 or 13/10 or 1.3. So note it. Five cm. Yes, 5 cm can be divided into 10 parts. 5 cm can be divided into 10 parts. Then 1 part equal to 0.5 cm. So यहाँ पे 1 part 0.5 cm को इंडिकेट करता है. So point E represents 1 full 3/10 or 13/10 or 1.3. So note it. Students, question number B, represent -2.4 on the number line. Represent -2.4 on the number line. Similar question, -2.4. It is -2.4. It is in negative form. First keep the minus sign outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you keep 2.4. Minus sign will be kept outside the bracket, and inside the bracket 2.4 will be kept. Now minus bracket 2.4, it is a decimal number, but you can convert it in p by q form. Therefore it is a rational. Therefore it is a rational number, that is 24/10. Minus sign will remain outside. Now minus bracket 24/10, as it is improper, so it will be converted into mixed form, that will be 2 full 4/10. That will be 2 full 4/10. Now minus 2 full 4/10 का मीनिंग है, माइनस साइन इंडिकेट करता है लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन को, लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन को. देयरफॉर वी मीन दैट minus 2 full 4 by 10 means the distance of 2 full units plus 4 by 10 parts of 1 full unit towards, as it is minus sign, so minus sign indicates to left direction, therefore you have to cover this distance towards the left of 0. Clear? Therefore, to represent minus 2.4 on the number line, or to represent minus 2 full 4 by 10 on the number line, first you will draw a line, suppose XY line. Suppose XY line. Now mark a point, that is O, on this line which represents the integer or rational number 0. So point O represents 0. As the denominator is 10 here, therefore it will be convenient for you to take 10 cm or 5 cm distance as the unit length. It is equal to 1 unit, therefore it is called unit length. 10 cm बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, therefore 5 cm will be suitable for you. So take from 0, take a point from 0 at 5 cm distance. Suppose this point, suppose its name is A. Now point A will represent minus 1 as you move towards left of 0, therefore it is minus 1. Now from A at 5 cm distance, mark another point, that is point B, and it will represent minus 2. Similarly, from point B at 5 cm distance, suppose you take 5 cm, understand? You take 5 cm suppose as the unit length. Therefore, from point B at 5 cm distance, take the next point, that is point C, and it will represent minus 3. आज minus 2 full 4 by 10 as, इधर स्पेस नहीं है, यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, minus 2 full 4 by 10, minus 2 full 4 by 10, it is less than minus 3, it is less than minus 3, sorry, it is greater than minus 3 but less than minus 2. Yes, minus 2 full 4 by 10 is greater than minus 3 but less than minus 2. Therefore, it will lie between minus 2 and minus 3. It means between these spots on the number line. So this length between minus 2 and minus 3, which is 5 cm. Yes, it is 5 cm distance. It is also 5 cm distance. From minus 1 to minus 2, it is also 5 cm distance. So this length will be divided into 10 equal parts as the denominator is 10 here. therefore it will be divided into 10 equal part, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8 part, 9 part, 10 part. So start from point O, first take 1 full unit, then take 1 full unit. It means from point O to V it is 2 units, but it is in the left direction, therefore -2 has been written here. But you mean that the distance is 2 units, but it is in the left direction, therefore minus sign has been put here. So from point B you have to cover only 4 parts, this part, this part, this part, this part. So this point, suppose it is marked in blue. So this point, suppose its name is E. So this point, this E point will represent -2 full 4/10 or -2.4. Yes, check whether it is correct or not. From from O to V it is full 2 unit distance, this distance. From point O to point B it is full 2 unit distance, and from point B to point E it is only 4/10 parts of 1 full unit distance, Therefore from point O to point E the distance is 2 full 4/10, but it is in the left direction of 0, therefore minus sign has been put here. So point E, this point indicates to -2 full 4/10 or -2.4. So note it. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को सॉल्व करने के लिए मेरे पास अभी टाइम नहीं है ज़्यादा, देयरफॉर we will solve question number 3 tomorrow. We will start question number 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में चेक करके मैं बोलूँगा आपको कितना क्वेश्चन है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को हम कल सॉल्व करेंगे टुमारो. दिस मच.